In today's video, I'll show you how to report and remove counterfeits on Amazon. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'll show you how to report counterfeits without using Amazon Brand Registry. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. My mission is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first, we want to find our real item. So this is the real item right here. And then we found the counterfeit on this next slide right here. So this is a counterfeit, and we can tell it's a counterfeit because we have intellectual property. So they're violating either our design patent, and here's a design patent, or they're violating our utility patent. So you can see our utility patent right here. So as long as we know what they're violating, we can triple check that. And we know right here they are definitely violating both our design patent and our utility patent. So we can choose, do we want to report them for a design patent? Do you want to report them for utility patent? What's easier? And to do that, simply you're going to go to brandregistry.amazon.com. Once you sign in for this, you're going to click Protect, Report a Violation. Now you're going to put in the fake right here, or the counterfeit item. You're going to put the ASIN in right here, and the ASIN usually starts with B as in boy. Now once you're here, you're going to click this button. You're going to report the entire listing, and now you get to pick copyright infringement, patent infringement, or trademark infringement. Now we already said that they're violating our patent, and we're going to do design patent right here. We're going to put our brand name in here. Do we have a patent number? Put your patent number in there, and then you're just going to provide an explanation on why they are violating your design patent. Now just be very specific. Do not put tons of paragraphs or they're not going to approve it. All right. Once you submit this, you can actually monitor it right here. You go to support, you go to monitor and submission history, and you can see if it's still being reviewed, if it's approved or rejected. If it's approved, then simply this listing is going to be shut down and it's going to turn into something that looks like a dog, like this. And that's when you can get excited and dance. If it's rejected, they're going to stay on Amazon. If it is rejected, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go to support, contact brand support, and then you're going to escalate it. Escalate previously submitted issue. And this is your chance to make it idiot proof. You're going to explain to them why they are violating your design patent or whatever it is. And you want to make it idiot proof because now you can attach photos. So before you do this, I recommend purchasing their item. Wait for it to be delivered and then take pictures of the item. So now you have pictures of the item, right? You also have an order ID. Since you placed an order, go to your orders and tell Amazon that you placed an order. Here's the order ID, and screenshot that as well. That proof that you actually placed the order and it was delivered. Next, you're going to make a little idiot proof document. Whether it's your trademark, your copyright, your patent, you want to make something, a quick little document like this that shows, hey, here's your real item, here's your US patent number or your trademark number, here it is, and here's the fake item, and here it is showing that they're violating your trademark or your patent. Again, you want to make it as idiot proof as possible because Amazon is lazy, right? So just understand that. Once you have all that information, you're going to escalate it right here, put in all that info, and then you should get it approved. If not, you can report it one more time, but try escalating it first before you report them. Now you can also report them as a buyer. Since you purchased it, you can report them as a buyer as well. And what I like to do is attack them all at the same time. So if it doesn't get approved, we do the test buy, we complain as a buyer that it's a fake item, violating a patent, and we submit this issue at the same time, then a red flag goes off on Amazon and it usually gets removed. But for staying towards the end of the video, if these two options don't work or you can't get brand registered, what you can do is go into your Amazon seller account, and then you're simply going to go to Performance, Account Health. Once you're in Performance and Account Health, there's going to be a tab, Report Abuse of Amazon's Policies. You can click on this. Then you can click on intellectual property and do a public notice form. And this is where you can report them without having access to Amazon Brand Registry. Just remember, you want to keep it short, sweet, concise, so easy a 10-year-old can understand it, and idiot proof just like this. That way you can get it approved. One of the best ways is to attack from all angles. So not only can you complain as a buyer, that's angle number 1, you can complain on brand registry, angle number 2, but you can also complain on the report abuse page that I just showed you right here. That's 3. If you do them all at the same exact time, it will raise a red flag in Amazon's system, and most likely there's a higher chance of them getting removed. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below of a fire emoji if you ever removed a fake on Amazon. And if you did learn something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help increasing sales, removing fakes, or anything regarding Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full Amazon A to Z account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, monitor fakes, remove hijackers, report listings for you, call Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, wasting hours like calling Amazon and stuff like that. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I am signing out.